Have you ever wondered what people that are making money out of the internet are doing? I mean, how are they doing it? If you hang with me for a couple of minutes, I will reveal some of the smartest way to get passive online income. And I will also tell you what I did to replace my job income within 24 months. Hi, my name is Erika, and I work as an online business ideas coach. In this short video, I will tell you some of the best ways to start earning money on the internet, even if you don't have any previous experience or technical knowledge. Neither did I have when I first got started a few years ago. In fact, I was just recovering from being burnt out from my previous job as a manager, and I knew I had to find a new way to support myself without going into the same trap I just had escaped from, working long days and spent almost all of my time away from my family. I have always known that the only way to get out from this endless rat race was to start my own business, and for me at least, it was clear that the internet was the future. But I did not know what to sell online. I already had tried an online business before, but it went bankrupt because I didn't know how to market my products and get traffic to my website. Then I found this ad from another Swedish guy, Martin. He told me about an education that would guide me through the whole journey from the very beginning of finding a solid business idea and the right product or service to sell, to set up all the systems in a clever way to automate as much as possible. That way, I would be able to earn money even when I was not in front of my computer myself all the time. You see, that's what's so brilliant with the internet. It's not how many hours you put in that will decide how much you earn any longer. The technology will help you free up time so you can do the things that you like to do instead of sitting in office all day, not being able to go home until it's dark outside. When you have your business up and running, you can just scale it, and really, there's no limit how much money you can earn with the same amount of time put in. Okay, I promised you to reveal some of the most successful online business ideas right now, so here it is. Number one, of course, you can import and sell physical product on the internet, for example on Amazon or eBay. But did you know that there's a way to do this without even having to touch the products yourself? Amazon has a service where you can get help with storage, packing, and shipping, and take care of the customer service as well. Stay tuned and I will give you a resource where you can learn more about this. Number two, building your own website out of your interest or hobby and drive traffic to it. With today's technology, it has never been easier to set up a new website. Actually, with the system I use, it can be done within less than an hour. But you will not earn money just having a website. The trick is to know how to get traffic and use some clever ways to get paid for that traffic. I'll get back to this in a couple of minutes. Number three, online courses and trainings. This market are growing like crazy right now. If you have knowledge in any area of your life, maybe some skills you have from your current job, or if you have a special hobby, you can use that knowledge and sell it by creating your very own online course. This is a great way of creating passive income and making money around the clock without you needing to be physically there in front of the screen. Everything can be recorded and automated and give you maximal time freedom. Number four, affiliate marketing. You hear about it everywhere, but what does it really mean? This is what I do for a living, And it means that I promote other companies' product or services, and I earn commissions from all the new customers they get. To explain it, I sometimes use the analogy of an insurance broker. They help people to find the best insurance for their specific needs, and then they get paid from the insurance company. You can be an affiliate for almost every type of products now: traveling, books, cars, educations. If you want to earn the big bucks, you will need to find a company that have what we call a high ticket affiliate program. Then you can have commissions of thousands and thousands of US dollars from only one sale. Of course, you will need some training and guidance to learn this properly, but I promise you it's well spent time to learn. When you understand how to market, you can sell whatever you want for all future. After signing up, you will be qualified to a webinar where you can learn exactly how to earn your very first $10,000 online and get to know more in detail how you can find the best products for you to start selling. You will also receive a training series in your email where you will learn about the different type of online businesses that are the most successful right now. If you click here right now, you can actually be up and running with your new business today. Or just check it out for free. It will only cost you an hour of your time. Did you click? Great! I look forward to continuing speaking with you on the inside.